Welcome back to today's video. Today we're going to be doing a take on barbecue pork, Char Siu or Chinese style. Now it's not exactly how it's done traditionally. I had a couple different variations I used because I couldn't find some of the spices like the Chinese cooking wine and the 5-spice blend. So I kind of used what I had on hand, soy sauce. I do have some of the red food coloring that'll mimic the pork. All right, so let's get started. Sherry vinegar, rice wine vinegar, a couple shots of red food coloring, a teaspoon of sesame oil, a tablespoon of teriyaki, takatsu sauce, soy sauce, our paprika and ground ginger, alright, I'm going to pour marinade in and then keep some for basting. A little bit more. Alright, so these have a good enough color for me, and let's go finish them in the oven. We have our pork marked off, so I'm going to put it on this rack that's lined with aluminum foil, and I'm going to give this the first of, I don't know, 2 or 3 maybe glazes I still have left over of the barbecue sauce marinade kind of thing that we did for this. So we're just going to go onto this rack. About 150 degrees on our internal temp. So I'm going to baste it. Back in it'll go, and we'll check on it in a few minutes. All right, we're at 165 degrees. I'm gonna do one more glaze. That is looking pretty good, I must say. All right, it's been about 45 minutes. These got to about 185 internal temperature. This is our barbecue pork, Char Siu Chinese style with my interpretation, not fully exact, letter for letter or ingredient for ingredient, but close enough, and it came out great. I'm gonna let it rest for about 15-20 minutes, and then we're gonna slice into it and finish this off. We have our little chow mein, Chinese broccoli, and of course, our barbecue pork.